mornings. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some you know what. Chicken wings. Okay, I have them in my breader bowl. I have the Shore Lunch classic chicken breading. I'll be using my Cosori 5.8 quart air fryer. So I'm going to preheat it. It's plugged in. Preheat. It's 400 at 5 minutes. I have my chicken, 4 wings only. And the breading. And I'll leave a link to my air fryer, the rolling tray, like that, and the breader bowl in my description box. So I'm going to shake this up. And also, when I wash this, I put some hot water in it and some little soap, and put the lid on, hold it tight, and shake it. It practically cleans itself. Braid it nicely. Okay. I'll be using my Evo sprayer, oil sprayer, and I got olive oil in here. This is what Cooking with Doug blessed me with. I'll be back. Okay, I'm tired of waiting for it to preheat, so I'm going to turn this off. My wings up in here. Putting the flat side up. That's the flat side. Let's put the 4 wings in here. Okay, that can stand a little more breading. Where that was tucked, I'll just put it in here and do what it do. Be careful you don't hit the hot grill pan. My daughter once got a 2nd-degree burn on her forearm right here by hitting the grill pan. It's like reaching into a hot oven. If your hand hits that oven rack and the oven has been on, you're going to be burned. So, I'm going to spritz my chicken. I hold it up high so when I spray it, the spray doesn't blow all the breading off. And I pull this trigger all the way back. If I just pull it a little bit, it'll squirt out. I don't want that. I want a nice spray. Like that. Okay, that's good. Put this in here. That's how it looks. Turn it on, put it on chicken setting, and press play. Okay. I will be back when it's doing something. I'm not going to let the chicken air fry for the full 25 minutes. When you marinate your chicken, it doesn't take as long to cook, or any other meat for that matter. When it's marinated, it cooks a little faster. So I'm going to knock 5 minutes off the time. I'm going to show you exactly what I put in my breader bowl. I had some Cajun, no it ain't, Shore Lunch spicy buffalo style. I had a little of this. I had a little of the classic fried chicken left. It wasn't enough to coat the chicken, so I put some of this in there. So it's interesting to see how a mixed breading will taste. This is what I'm going to put on my done wings. Original whiskey barbecue sauce by F. Whitlock and Sons. You can buy this from Walmart. Two of my honeys blessed me with this. And I'll be putting some Texas Pete hot sauce. And my chicken is done. There's 5 minutes left, and I set it for 25 minutes. So I'm sure it's done. I smell it. It's good and done. Look at that. I didn't flip the chicken. Let me show y'all what I'm doing. Got my bowl, a piece of bread. Brown on both sides. I just sprayed one side with the oil. As always, I'm going to show you how the basket looks. Easy cleanup. Look at that. Of course, all that grease has dripped down to the bottom. Look at that. Okay. This is how my chicken looks, y'all. Golden fried chicken. Browned on both sides. Get it? Nice and crispy. Put my stuff on. Need a spoon. I don't want it all to dump out. Put a little. Do a little. This is the best sauce. This is it. F. Whitlock and Sons original whiskey barbecue sauce. And some hot sauce, y'all. Okay. I should have tasted the mixture of the breading first. Well, I can't eat it now, no way. It's hot. This is how my chicken looks. Okay, I'm going to use this time to thank you all who shop on my Amazon, in my Amazon store. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all who stopped by my channel and clicked my link and then shop. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I get a little bitty kickback, but you're never charged anything extra. So I appreciate it. I'm able to pay off some of my credit cards. I got a lot. Okay. So I want to thank you all for watching. Leave me a nice comment. Give me a thumbs up. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay. Bye. Close up of my golden brown chicken with the barbecue sauce and hot sauce. This is what I have on here. F. Whitlock and Sons original whiskey barbecue sauce, and you can find it at Walmart. And any kind of hot sauce will do. Okay. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail. I decided to come back and taste it a little bit. Just a piece of the skin. A little bit. Oh my goodness. Without the sauce on it. I'm going to break off another piece. A bigger piece. I'm about to hurt myself. I'm going for real now. Bye. Good, y'all.